Welcome, today I'm friend of me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap here to advanced features. After that we should scroll to screenshots and screen recorder section, and now we'll see here the screen recorder settings. Just to change video quality we should click here once on video quality section, and after that we can switch the quality of our screen recordings from highest to the medium or to the lowest. So that's it. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first we should open notification panel shortcuts here, and somewhere here we should find the screen record icon. In my case it's here, and just to activate the settings we should hold for a while this icon, and after that okay, we can see that we can switch here only the sound settings or screen touches. So maybe I'll try it one more time here. Okay, so we should just hold just for a while this icon, and by this way we can also change the video quality. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.